Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a new risk-free way to advertise on Etsy. This morning, Etsy sent out an email to all Etsy sellers talking about two new formats that they're going to be running later in April when you run advertising on Etsy. So if you want to learn a little bit more about the new changes that are coming up, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's talk about these new changes. So they're going to have two new updates to help increase traffic to your shop with advertising. The first change is called Offsite ads, and they're introducing an expanded advertising service. So they will pay the upfront cost to advertise your listings on multiple high traffic sites, including Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, being in addition to Google. So basically what they would do is that whatever ad you choose or whatever listing you choose, they would go ahead and promote that across all these social media platforms as well as search engines, including Google and Bing. The second change that they're making is that with the Etsy ads, previously it went to both on-site and Google Shopping ads. Now they will only go towards promoting your listings on Etsy. So with the Etsy ads, is no longer, you don't have to worry about your ads showing up on Google Shopping and also on Etsy. I think a lot of people are going to be happy about that option because for many people, I remember, especially in my Facebook group, a lot of you guys didn't like the fact that you couldn't toggle it off. You didn't like the fact that it would show your ads on Google Shopping. You just wanted to just promote on Etsy by itself. So I think that's a good change. The one in the top, the offsite ads, I see why they're doing it. I think that for majority of people that don't know how to use Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or Pinterest, or Google AdWords, or anything, or PPC ads, this is going to be good for them because Etsy will do it for you. I guess it has its goods and his pros and cons. If you're new to the platform, you're new to social media, you don't know how to promote in other platforms, offsite ads might be a benefit for you. So how offsite ads work? So they're gonna pay the upfront cost to advertise your listings across the web, which was what we just talked about. Facebook, Instagram, Bing, Google, Pinterest, etc. When a shopper clicks on an online ad featuring one of your listings and purchase from your shop within 30 days, you will pay a 15% advertising fee on that particular order. You only pay an advertising fee when you make a sale. Offsite ads is only available on Etsy, and they're trying to make it as simple as possible for Etsy sellers. In my position that I know how to run Facebook ads, I know how to run Instagram ads, I know how to run Pinterest ads, etc. I rather promote my own listings than have them charge me 15%. I do think is a pretty high, the percentage. And they do hold you, they hold that, they have a 30-day window, so a 30-day cookie that they put in place because they want to make sure they're getting their money for advertising. Because at the end of the day, when they advertise your listings in all these social media platforms, including Google and Bing, they still have to pay for that advertising. Whether the person purchased or not, they still have to pay. So that's why they have the 30-day window to recuperate their money back. I think the only issue I have with that as well is that it's 15%. So for people that sell like low-end products, or not low products in per se, but just the pricing of it. If you sell already something that's like $5, after you take the listing fee, after you take the other fees, plus this additional 15% fee, you might not make that much money. You might have to raise your prices a little bit to kind of pay off what you're paying. I don't know. Let me know what you think about these new changes. Do you think that it will benefit you? Do you think that it won't benefit you? Supposedly, they say that this update shouldn't have like a big effect on the bottom line. And they say that based on your sales this year, they estimate that this fee will apply to less than 5% of people's sales. That's what they're saying. These services are gonna start launching in a few weeks. They say later in April, and we will all be automatically enrolled. There's nothing you have to do. And when you go to the dashboard, they're gonna have a new dashboard. When you go in there, you're gonna be able to see the offsite ads. You're gonna be able to see the new Etsy ads. And if you're interested in doing it, then at that moment you'll be able to go ahead and get started. I'm gonna link more information about this below this video if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, read it for yourself, and kind of get a little bit more information on it. I personally think that it's a good thing if you never done, it's a good change if you have never done Etsy promoting, like you don't know how to do social media promoting. Then for those type of people, then it's great. For people that know how to do it, they would probably do it themselves because of the fee of 15%. That's my take on it. Let me know in the comment sections what you guys think of it. And thank you so much for watching.